कोविड महामारीक लागून देशांत येरादारी करपाचेर बंधनां आशिल्लीं. देखून एका राज्यांतल्यान दुसऱ्या राज्यांत येरादारी करपाक परवानो घेवचो पडटालो. देशांत येरादारी करपाचेर घातिल्लीं बंधनां केंद्र सरकारान काडून आतां 1 सप्टेंबराच्यान देशांत भोंवपाक मोकळीक दिल्या. गोंय सरकारानूय गोंय राज्याच्यो शिमो उक्त्यो केल्यात. मात मुरगांवांतलो जुवारी नगर वाठार आजून बंदूच आसा. MHAच्या मार्गदर्शका प्रमाण मुरगांव जुवारी नगरांतल्या लोकांचेर आजून कांय दीस बंधनां आसात. थंय मायक्रो कंटेनमेंट झोन करून आनीक कांय दीस तो वाठार बंद दवरला, अशें मुरगांवचो उपजिल्लोधिकारी सचिन देसायान सांगलें.
Zuari Nagar, our containment zone which was there, it has been converted into 2 micro zones. दोन धाकटे zones केल्या थंय. आणि since the cases were reduced to 0 in that containment zone and over 63 days had passed since notification to give relief to people, it has been converted into micro zones, and subsequently we'll monitor the micro zones, and if subsequently there are no cases, then they will be denotified.
How many cases are there in the micro containment?
Cases are not there. See, as per the guideline issued by the MHA and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, it says that from the last date of recovery of any case, 14 days has to pass for denotification of the containment zone. So wherever 14 days have not passed from the date of recovery of the patient, those areas we have included into micro zone. We have converted into 2 such micro zones so that major zone जे लोक आसा तांकां रिलीफ मेळटा.